Hello, UPCAT takers! Today, let's try to solve this math problem. Again, very short solution lang ito. So, let's see how to solve this. Okay, if x is equal to 4 plus the square root of 15, find the value of the square root of x minus 4. Okay, let's rearrange this. Transfer natin yung 4 sa kabila. So, that's x minus 4 is equal to the square root of 15. Take the square root of both sides. So the square root of x minus 4 is equal to the square root of the square root of 15. Okay, let's convert this to exponential form, to exponent form, kung mas gusto nyo yun. Okay, this is just equal to 15, 1 half to the power of 1 half. So, kung meron tayo ganito, this is the power of a power rule, di ba? Kung meron tayong a to the power of m to the power of n, that is just a m times n. So, the square root of x minus 4 is just equal to 15 to the power of 1 over 4. Or simply, square root of x minus 4 is equal to the fourth root of 15. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. I hope this helped you in preparing for UPCAT. Bye!